Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be doing a video about creative planner decorating ideas for stickers. So I'll be showing you guys some different options for the different types of stickers that are out there and give you some fresh ideas for getting creative in your planner. So if that sounds good, let's jump in. The first item we're going to create with these colorful boxes is a movie clapboard. It's a super easy one to make. All you need to do is have a small header box and a rectangular larger box and a pen. And you can easily create a clapboard by just creating some diagonal lines. Here I'm showing you how I did a very similar thing with both those size boxes and some washi tape, but it's just a cute, fun, creative way to add a little bit of pizzazz to these colorful boxes if it fits your movie theme. Next, we're going to create just a quick little shopping bag by adding in a handle at the top of the box. Super easy, really no skill involved here, and it's so cute. I've done one here on this spread and I'm showing you how you could use the bags in different applications, having things go in and out of them on your spread. You could do this around the holidays, Black Friday shopping, so many ideas for how you could use just this simple little bag handle on the top of your boxes. Next, we're going to go ahead and create a classic size planner. Just went ahead and quickly divided up the box equally so that I could put all 9 rings there on the planner box. Coloring it in here with just a fine liner. You could also do this with a spiral style like notebook if you wanted to do a back to school theme, or even a ring binder. You could do something very similar with like the 6 rings if you have an A5 planner and like to use stickers. I'm just doing a simple C shape for the discs and coloring those in. Here you can see the planner style boxes in action. A really cute spread with, like a happy planner theme. Just a creative way to use those colorful boxes in some different planner related applications, showcasing things about planning. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a post-it note style sticker out of a square shaped colorful box. So a real simple way to do it is to start off with a circle like a pin head and then kind of do a V-shaped point going through the box itself. And then for that added bonus, if you want to show it even more so, you draw a little V there in the corner like the paper is curling and cut off that edge to really sell the idea that it is a post-it note there on the spread. Here I show you how I did that with some pens that were actually stickers, and then I colored in the corner flips with the same color box just to add a little bit more detail in the color area. It works just as well with just a plain black pen if that's all you have on hand. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the colorful box as a frame. And for this example, we're going to create just like a sample poster mock-up, something that you might use for a quote that you have for a specific spread and want to add a little extra color to it. I'm just going to cut this guy up and stick it inside of the colorful box, like I said, as a frame, so that it can be used in multiple applications. One way to really sell this is to add a little bit of washi tape to the top and make it look like it's kind of stuck down onto the page with the washi tape. You could put it in the top, in the corners, or you could do something similar where you're curling the bottom edge to really show that it is on the page itself. Here's another way to kind of show you how you might use a box as a frame. Here I have some squad girls going in and out of the boxes themselves, kind of containing the image within it. So that's a good way to also use it as a frame. And here you can see that I use the colorful boxes as kind of similar with like a poster style, using the clothespins holding it up. and then actually using the empty boxes as functional items. So next we're going to talk about tiny stickers, and I'm going to use this long colorful box here as a way to showcase an example of how you might use tiny stickers in a way that it's one source of decor. So I am going to put in a bunch of the same tiny stickers together in a box and almost use the box again as a frame. So kind of reiterating my last point about using it as a frame, but also it's a way to showcase tiny stickers all together, making them feel like one decor item. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these guys in, and I'm cutting the stickers as I put them in. So again, kind of selling that idea that they are contained within this box frame. That is going to be one way to kind of showcase tiny stickers, especially if they're all the same type of sticker. But you can do this in very similar ways in different applications, making backgrounds and other decor ideas. Here's one example of using tiny stickers all together as one in a background situation. I also grouped these items that are of the same theme but of not the same size and shape by color order. That's another way to create something that gives a more homogeneous feel to tiny stickers so they don't feel so out of place. Makes it feel like one big decor item. Another option here is using icons, which I've shown before, as a background. So I am taking every other day on my horizontal planner and color coding them with the same color icons, but again containing them within the frame of the day. So it creates more like a wallpaper or background look to it, making all of the stickers feel again like they are part of one big thing. And here's an example of using stickers of different color and sizing, still smaller stickers, but having that variation. And again, using color to kind of help group them together in a collage that feels natural as a decor item all on its own. Here is another example where you can group them together and create actual shapes or flows through your spread. These are all different colors but the same shape and the same size, so it really helps you sell the items as one big decor item. Here's kind of an example of that where the different sizes and shapes kind of take away from the overall look, but you can see how I can get really creative and how much better this would have looked if I had had all round donuts and then put it in that donut frame. That's an idea, using them collectively to make one big shape out of something else. Another really good idea is to use them on the borders of your spread, especially if they're all the same size. You have multiples of a similar thing, maybe in different colors. But you could do the same thing like if you have different shapes but are all around the same size and have the same theme. Just making a border around your spread is a really good way to utilize those tiny stickers and make it feel like they're purposeful. And here, finally, there is a bunch of tiny stickers intermixed with other stickers. So by color, you can really make something feel like it's part of one big thing versus just floating in space. Color is really the driving factor of these last two examples that I'm showing you. Here, there's more of a cluster feel to it. So you get the clustering idea, all the same color, makes it feel like it's all part, again, of one big decor item versus a lot of small little things thrown together. And here I have this one where I'm using a lot of small stickers in with one big decor item. So they're kind of flowing into that big decor item. It's something I showed a little bit earlier too with the bag layout. You can really get creative with different sizes and shapes, but the grouping of them together is the most important thing, because small stickers on their own have a hard time really making a spread, but when you grab them all together and actually create something out of them, it can really be impactful. So next we're going to showcase circle stickers, and my first example here is to turn them into hanging ornaments. This is a popular one for the holiday season, especially around Christmas, but you could use this for hanging wreaths as well. Also around New Year's Eve, having like a disco ball hanging would be a very similar way to use these stickers. You can see here that I also used colorful circles as well as just regular circle stickers in this application. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to turn them into just a simple balloon. Really great for events and party style spreads. A really easy way to add some color and variety with that party idea. Here I'm showing you guys how I use some simple circle stickers as balloons for a birthday spread and matched the little tiny lip of the balloon with the color of the circle sticker just to make it feel a little bit more natural. Finally, we have for the circle stickers turning them into round little hard candies. This is one of my favorite ones. I just recently did a spread showing these here as candy wrappers. Some things to keep in mind: the more time you take drawing the wrappers, the better it looks. I obviously had a lot to do, so some of these look better than others, but you get the idea of how well you can really use these circle stickers creatively with candy. Think of piñatas, kids' birthdays is great for this, or even just like a Candyland theme, lots of options. So next we're going to talk about those standard box stickers that you get in many of the Happy Planner books and a lot of other books as well, or sticker sheets. So for this guy, I'm going to show you guys how to convert a standard patterned box sticker into a pinwheel shape. So all you need to do is cut it into a square to begin with, and then cut that square diagonally once, and then each of those sections cut it again diagonally to create 4 equal triangles. You put those points together and you have yourself a pinwheel. So another creative way to kind of use those box stickers that maybe you're not using in other applications and create something a little bit more fun and whimsical. This could be great for a children's style spread, something related to kids. Also, those triangles too could be used in various ways as just the shape alone. So this is just one option, but you could do lots of other options with those as well. Now this one's just a simple one. It's not as creative, but it's something that I always forget to think about. Cutting the box at a diagonal really makes an impact to your spread. It takes a box sticker that would look like it's part of a spread and really makes it stand out from the rest. So just keep that in mind as an option for a creative way to use those box stickers on your layouts. Next, I'm going to show you how to, again, use those pattern box stickers or even ones with a quote if you can cut it down. Of course, they're already box stickers, but what I mean is that you create an actual box for whatever stickers you're going to be using and have them be part of the decor related to the box. So I'm just going to show you with some small little circle stickers I have here, like they are either flowing in or coming out of the box itself. Cutting a few of them down so again they look like they're going inside of the box, and playing around with maybe even some action lines showing them jumping out or coming into the box itself. A little bit of confetti there just to help sell the idea. This is great for like a party style situation, but also in multiple applications depending on what you're trying to do. I'm just going to quickly clean this guy up and then show you guys an example here on my actual planner. Here is an example where I use just a pattern box sticker and am using it to be like an open package, having cookies coming out of it. You could use it for a flower box, like I did there, for food or a present, a gift. You can really do a lot with that. Next, we're going to do books made out of those kind of small, long rectangle stickers that many sticker books have, especially if they are of a solid color. Those are really great for making books out of. All you need to do is draw a couple of simple lines, either at the top and the bottom. You can also write in a little title there. Leaning one against the other at a slight angle really helps sell the idea, as well as stacking them on top of each other, boxes of different sizes. Just a cute way to use up maybe some of those colored header box stickers that you maybe aren't using on the regular. Those are really great for turning into decor. And finally, one way to use a box sticker that you might not have thought of is to punch it into a new shape. I use a horizontal planner, and most of the time the box stickers just don't really work in a horizontal planner, so I will punch them with my circle punch and create a new circular shape out of the full box. And that really turns out pretty good. Here's an example of how I did that same thing with a really large box sticker that really wasn't working for me. Cut it out with a circle punch and made a brand new decor sticker. So for floral options, there's a lot of inspiration out there, but one of the ways I wanted to show you guys was adding a bit of a marker behind the florals to create a little more interest. I just recently did this with a spread and it came out really great. You can see there that was a colored floral that I showcased in the example, but you could also do it with these outline florals and adding some color behind them that enhances your color scheme for your spread. Just a fun, creative way to do that and add a little bit more pizzazz to a regular floral sticker. Next, I'm going to show you how you could use florals in a wreath shape. That can really be an impactful decor, creative idea. Different types of flowers, great for like the holidays, but you could also do it any time of the year just with the florals that you have and create a nice circular pattern with floral stickers. Next, we have using florals together in a cluster, but also in a rainbow. That really can become impactful, especially if you have different florals with different styling that don't all match up. You can get colors that are similar and group them together in a rainbow or a color scheme of your choosing. Gradient style, pink into purple, that kind of thing could really be impactful. So that's it, friends. 5 different styles of stickers that you can do in numerous ways creatively in your planner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch or have any questions. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!